Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Thursday, May 8, 2025. Today, we'll cover market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed strength today. The Nasdaq 100 closed at 20,063, up 195 points, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 189 points to 17,928. The technology sector rose 35 points to 4,233. Market breadth was overwhelmingly positive today. The Nasdaq 100 saw 95% of stocks advance, while the Nasdaq Composite had over 2,500 gainers versus just 551 decliners. The technology sector showed similar strength. Returns were mixed across timeframes. While the technology sector leads this month with a 3.7% gain, it's down 8.1% year-to-date. The healthcare sector shows consistent weakness, down across all measured periods. Leading tech stocks today. EPAM Systems surged 12.8% to 179.71, breaking out after 3 flat days. Paycom Software hit a one-year high, climbing 9% to 249.35 amid strong upward momentum. Looking at returns, Palantir Technologies leads year-to-date with a 57.5% gain. EPAM Systems shows strong weekly momentum, up 12.1%, though still down 23% this year. Among decliners, Fortinet dropped 8.4% to 97.74, marking its third consecutive down day. Uber Technologies fell 1.6% to 82.30, despite maintaining a very strong positive trend. In terms of returns, Motorola Solutions shows weakness across timeframes, down 11.2% year-to-date. Despite today's decline, Uber Technologies maintains strong performance with a 36.4% gain this year. Technology ETFs showed consistent upward movement today. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both closed higher for the second consecutive day. The leveraged 3x bullish QQQ posted a notable gain of 2.9%, while its inverse counterpart, 3x bearish QQQ, dropped by the same percentage after 11 days of sideways movement. Month-to-date returns highlight strong performance in tech ETFs. Vanguard Information Technology leads with a 3.95% return, while 3x bullish QQQ shows the highest monthly return at 7.7%. Year-to-date, however, these ETFs face challenges, with returns ranging from -4.5% to -25.3%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Alphabet and Amazon showed relative strength, rising 1.9% and 1.7% respectively. Microsoft continues its very strong positive trend, while Apple and Meta platforms show mixed to negative trends. Year-to-date returns show significant divergence. Microsoft and Meta platforms maintain positive returns, while Apple has declined over 21%. Alphabet is down 18%, and Amazon has fallen 12%. In semiconductor stocks, SiTime surged 13.4% with strong upward volatility. Allegro Microsystems and ACM Research posted gains of 12.7% and 11.9% respectively. NVE and InChains also showed significant strength. Looking at returns, ACM Research leads with a 48.5% year-to-date gain. SiTime and Allegro Microsystems show strong month-to-date gains of 28% and 10% respectively, while NVE and InChains remain negative year-to-date. In cloud computing, Fastly led with a dramatic 26.3% gain. EPAM Systems jumped 12.8% after breaking out of a sideways pattern. The trade desk rose 6%, marking its 5th consecutive positive day. Fastly shows strong momentum with a 33% month-to-date gain. EPAM Systems has advanced 14.5% this month, while the trade desk remains down 49% year-to-date despite recent gains. In AI and robotics, iRobot broke out of a 10-day consolidation, surging 15.5%. Symbotic gained 6.5% with strong volatility. Mobileye Global and Vicarious Surgical both broke upward from sideways patterns. Year-to-date performance varies widely. AeroVironment leads with a 9.4% gain, while iRobot has declined 65%. Symbotic shows strong monthly momentum, up 11% in May. Leading thematic ETFs in AI and robotics showed strength today. Robotics and AI and automation bull twocks led gains, rising 2.5% to 18.10 after breaking out from sideways movement. Robotics and automation ETF and Spear Alpha ETF both gained over 2%. Month-to-date returns show robotics and AI and automation bull twocks, leading with a 6.7% gain. However, year-to-date performance reveals challenges, with the fund down over 20%. Robotics and automation ETF has shown more stability with modest weekly gains of 2.2%. Electric vehicle stocks advanced today, led by Rivian Automotive gaining 7.5% to 13.68, with a very strong upward trend. Polestar followed with a 6.4% rise, breaking out after 6 days of sideways movement. Li Auto continued its impressive run, up for 7 consecutive days. Li Auto leads month-to-date performance with an 11.6% gain, showing consistent momentum. Polestar has also impressed, up 10.6% for the month. However, Tesla continues to face challenges year-to-date, down nearly 30%. Quantum computing stocks surged today, with D-Wave Quantum soaring 51.2% to 10.42. Quantum computing jumped 19.2% amid strong upward volatility. Rigetti Computing and IonQ also posted strong gains of 11.4% and 9.2% respectively. D-Wave Quantum continues its remarkable run with a 50.8% month-to-date gain and 24% year-to-date return. Quantum computing shows strong weekly momentum, despite being down 49% year-to-date. IonQ maintains positive momentum with a 16% monthly gain. Solar stocks rallied strongly, with SolarEdge Technologies surging 23.8% to 18.29. Sunrun jumped 15% amid very strong upward volatility. Enphase Energy gained 12.1%, while FTC Solar broke out from sideways movement, rising 10.7%. SolarEdge Technologies leads month-to-date returns with a remarkable 49.4% gain and 34.5% year-to-date return. Sunrun shows strong momentum, up 23.4% this month. However, Maxion Solar remains challenged, down 59% year-to-date despite recent gains. In thematic ETFs today, ARK Innovation ETF led the group with a 3.7% gain to 51.45. SPDR SandP Software and Services ETF showed upward volatility, rising 3.2% to 173.24. Wisdom Tree Cloud Computing Fund broke out from a 5-day consolidation, climbing 3.1%. Looking at returns, SPDR SandP Software and Services ETF shows the strongest month-to-date performance at 6.3%. Wisdom Tree Cloud Computing Fund follows with a 4.8% month-to-date return. Year-to-date, ARK FinTech Innovation ETF is the only fund in positive territory.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew. Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.